hurricane warning for the following counties in North Carolina: Duplin, Greene, and Lenoir.
I got another one!
A hurricane watch has been upgraded to a hurricane warning for the following county: Inland Pender, North Carolina.
This one went off too.
Storm surge watch has been upgraded to a storm surge warning, and the hurricane watch has been upgraded
Holy hell.
to a hurricane warning for
Holy
the
hell.
following counties in North Carolina: Beaufort, Congaree, Craven, Jones, Mainland Dare, Mainland
Holy
High,
shit, dude.
Martin,
Hold on.
Othello, Outer Banks Dare, Outer Banks High, Pamlico, Pitt, Tyrrell, and Washington. A storm surge watch has been upgraded to a storm surge warning, and a hurricane watch has been upgraded to a hurricane warning for the following county: Coastal Pender, North Carolina. Hurricane force wind hurricane watch remains in effect for the following counties in North Carolina: Duplin, Greene, and Lenoir. A hurricane watch remains in effect for the following counties in North Carolina: Bladen and Inland Pender.
Oh my god.
A hurricane watch remains in effect for the following counties.